Eto. Sakto sa panahon ngayon. Hello, Roz.
Mukhang maparingaling naiisip kahit madaming mga bago lumalapit sa akin. Bakit naglanong nawala? Nahanap mo na ba siyang bagong magbibigay sa'yo ng mga tawag? Laging tumatawag, kailan ka ba sasagot? Huwag mo akong iwasan.
Thank you, Dale. Pang-relapse ko yan. Mag-relapse na kayo. Thank you, Gat ni JL.
Hate to say you miss me too. Tell me, girl, you miss me too. Falling like this raindrops. Better says it won't stop. Better days when I'm with you. Better days when I'm with you.
San si Akira? Nagpapahinga siguro siya ngayon.
Di ba rin ako sanay malakas sa aking tabi? Pagkising sa umaga, hawak ko ang mga halik. Sa tuwing umuulan, init ang iyong katawan.
JL, isang joke naman siya. Grabe naman sa mag-request ng joke.
Lagi na napapatawag, kailan ka ba sasagot?
Raindrop Supremacy. Yes!
Feeling lost like I need a twin. Stuck on words that I never said. Forget about what
JL, I'm your number one fan. Hello, love, chat.
these raindrops keeping me away. Hate to say you miss me too. Tell me, girl, you miss me too. Falling like these raindrops. Better says it won't stop. Better days when I'm with you. Better days when I'm with you. Used to tell me all the time, yeah. Feeling like I never knew. Coldest winter got the blues, yeah. Spending my next nights thinking about you. Circle on the globe, but it's still not you. Left side,
Ayan, nagra-rap na ako, di ba?
left me, right side of my bed. I was having something in these raindrops keeping
Thank you, Shay, sa bibingka.
me say I'm missing you.
Thank you, Takimoto.
You miss me too. Falling like these raindrops. Better days when I'm with you. Better days when I'm with you.
JL the Rapper. Ayan, alam ni Kuya Mike yan, nagra-rap ako. Di ba, Kuya Mike? Kaso, baka humanga kayo ng sobra. All these ladies. Sige. Oo nga, no? Nakakamiss din yung all these ladies.
I think I need a drama ice. Damn, this girl is dangerous. Cause I've been in love 1,000 times.
Direk Lauren reposted your live. Pero, hello, Direk! Nanonood si Direk. Hello po. Miss you, Direk.
Thanks so much. Always has been.
Thank you, Samantha, sa finger heart.
Keep me coming out of line. Always chose those days out my way. Damn. All these ladies got me going crazy. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. All these ladies, please somebody save me. Say you feel it too. Say you feel it too. So baby, 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 please. You got me, got me, got me, got me.
Thank you, Levi. Thank you, Samantha. Sa love so much. Thanks.
Got me going crazy.
Thank you, Gioni.
Don't know what to do. Let somebody know last night. Oh, you love again. But I got a buddy by my side, and you know that we're more than friends.
next headline. Oo nga pala, anniversary ngayon ng headlines. So, happy first anniversary sa headlines.
Get dessert, so I don't need to leave. Damn. All these ladies got me going crazy. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. All these ladies, please somebody save me, save me, feel it too. Say feel it too. So baby, 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 please. You got me, got me, got me, got me on my knees. All these ladies got me going crazy, don't know what to do. Tell them what to do. All these girls on my mind, got it wrapped around my mind, got me losing track of time. Can't help but fall in love every time. Name's Casey, Tracy, the other one is Daisy. They got me going crazy. All these girls on my mind. It's dangerous. I don't know if I can handle it. I can't help but fall in love every time. Shawty, you're the one I want. It's fine, it's fine. I'm in love with you. Going crazy, days like don't know what to do. All these ladies, please somebody save me, save me, feel it too. Say feel it too. So baby, 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 please. You got me, got me, got me, got me on my knees.
Thank you, Vanessa. Thank you, Chloe.
Ladies got me going crazy, don't know what to do. Don't know what to do.
Balik ka na, LU. Oo nga eh. Gusto ko bumalik sa LU pero gusto ko masulit next time. Kasi almost one day lang kami doon. So hindi naman namin totally.
It's got me going crazy, don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. All these ladies, please somebody save me, save me, feel it too.
Musta Baguio? Sobrang lamig, grabe. Hindi namin in-expect na ganun kalamig. Kasi yung last punta ko sa Baguio, parang medyo maaraw pa nung time na yun. Pero yung last punta namin, parang siguro mga 16 degrees. Ganun. Ganun kalamig. Parang naka-aircon sa labas. New album when? Yan ang kailangan yung abangan. Siyempre, madami tayong pinaghahandaan and marami tayong niluluto. So, i-follow nyo lang kami sa social media account namin. Just search PGYO_PH. Kasi nandun lahat ng updates ng mga ganaps namin. Ay, umulit. Andito lang. Thank you, I am Jonash. On demand Canada on demand tour. Oo nga, di ba? Sana i-manifest natin yan na magkaroon ng on demand sa hindi lang sa Canada, sa iba't ibang part ng iba't ibang bansa.
Sa problema mo ay ako ang iyong gabay. Sa bawat ikot ng mundo handa akong maghintay. Hawakan aking kamay, huwag ka nang iwalay. Kumapit lang at ako magsisilbi tulay.
Mag-Korean ka nga po. Ano nga sa'yo? Siya naman Jay Alimida, Panggapsumida. Gugulay. Lumuha pa muli. Yeah.
Di mo nasawa na tumingin sa amin ng iyong mga mata. Diretsong tingin mo pa nung may mga mata ka pa.
On demand tour in Bacolod, when? Sana magkaroon pa ng extension yung on demand tour namin kasi yung last stop namin is nung sa Davao, pero sana, di ba? Hindi mag-isa, biyaya na lumuha yung mata. 3:40 AM na. Oo nga, matulog ka na, Gigi. Grabe. Nagpuyat ka pa talaga. Thank you, Kati. Thank you, Chloe. Hello sa 333 viewers. On demand physical copy or merch din sana. Sige, ino-note natin yan. Thank you, Nairam. Thank you, Nila. Oh, thank you na sa Night Star, Gigi. Hindi mo isa lumuha yung mata. Di ka namamansin. Hello, Julia. Hoy, pinansin kita kanina. Kamusta nga ni? Okay lang nga ni. Doon na ako maghintay. Ano gusto nyo kantahin?
You know, I'm so,
Ang dami ha. Divine, ang daming nagre-request ng Divine. Nakakamiss din i-perform yung mga mga lumang songs namin.